Welcome to So for today, we are going to pamper ourselves, but it's just going to me and Mommy. Mommy, asaan ka?
What's pamper, Mommy?
What's pamper? Pampers is a diaper.
Ew!
What is pamper, Dada? What's pamper?
Pamper is like a diaper. Yeah!
No, I'm just joking. Pampered means to say that you are going to have some relaxation.
What pamper mean?
Hinahanda pa yung yung hammer para sa mukha mo.
Grabe naman. Parang ang tigas naman yung mukha.
Yung pangmasil yan. Para daw maayos. Ganda, Mami. Mami. Dada, may nakapanagaan. Sorry na. And today we are going to... Where are we going? Where are we going?
Batangas!
Oh. Why? Why is your face like that?
Mag-arte ka.
Why is your face? What's that again?
Volcano!
Volcano? Volcano.
Volcano. I see volcano in the sea. It's a map.
That's a lake. Margaret, it's a lake.
A lake?
Yes. Ay, sleeping na pala yan. don't need to, ha? To keep the food hot. What? Daddy, she's going to blow the fire. No.
We need that fire so our soup is
Margaret, are you full? Marco. Happy? Busog? Sahin natin. Husbands should love their wives just as Christ loved the church and sacrificed himself for her.
Pwede nga iuwi ito.
Feeling ko naisip mo si Daddy. Iyak ka na naman. Pwede mo iuwi yan. Guidance. I will instruct you and teach you the way you should go. I will counsel you with my eye upon you. Guidance. Ay, hinihingi ko. Grabe naman. Naisip mo si Daddy, no?
Naman, lagi kaming nagsisimpan.
Iyak ka naman.
Pero ngayon, hindi na. Ne, kumuha na laruan.
It's a video.
Can you open this one?
Tired.
Can you open this?
Oh, you lie down if you're tired. Go.
Let's go.